Introduce features highlight or overview summary about KORNIFUL Tabletop Fire Pit for indoor and outdoor. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features highlight or overview summary are include: portable fireplace dimensions 13.8 x 7 x 5.7 inch, geometric cuboid shape, is portable for outdoor outing entertainment activity, and enhance indoor aesthetics decoration. In addition, it is also very suitable for commercial use, such as restaurants, cafes, and other leisure places. The material of the tabletop fireplace is thickened 304 stainless steel, solid base with surface frosted coating. The burning chamber and the extinguisher are tightly seamed, no leak, and durable. Felt bottom at the bottom four corners to protect your desktop and enhance stability. The fireproof glass baffle can effectively protect the human body from being accidentally scalded. Depending on the capacity of the biofuel added, maximum 220 ml, the maximum burning time can be up to 40 to 50 minutes. Dancing flames reach 8 to 12 inches. No ash, no soot and smoke. It is friendly for the environment and humans. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.